Use liquid malt extract in baking and cooking. Liquid malt extract is a syrup made by beer brewing companies during the malting process. It's typically used to make beer, but it's also a very versatile ingredient. Today I used the dark extract to make cinnamon rolls. I wanted to incorporate the roasted chocolate and coffee notes I love in porter and stout beers. And these cinnamon rolls do not disappoint. When baked, make no mistake, the deep and dark flavors complemented perfectly with the cinnamon and caramel notes in this recipe. Here's what I did. In your bowl of choice, add all-purpose flour, brown sugar, salt, and give it a quick mix. Then add butter. Break it up into small pieces coated with flour. I used my hands to do this. When done, make a small well into the flour mixture. Crack in an egg and pour in the water. To mix, get in there again with your hands. Then add the yeast. You want to mix well until the ingredients are incorporated. Then knead the dough into a smooth ball. In total, mix and knead for approximately 10 minutes. If it's too sticky, knead in 1 tablespoon of flour at a time until it feels right. Your dough should look like this. It's smooth, and see how it doesn't stick to my hands. Cover the dough and let it rise in a warm place until it doubles in size. For me, this took about 3 hours. Next, take the dough out of the bowl to shape it. Press it gently with your hands and fingertips. Don't be afraid to turn over and handle the dough. You want to stretch the dough into a rectangle. Now to add the filling. I use raisins and cinnamon. Here, add some LME if you like, but be careful not to overfill. Trust me. Gently roll up the dough into a tube. Keep both sides even when rolling. Push in the ends too as you roll. I'm going to use a string to cut the tube. But first, mark off the tube into even pieces. Have your baking tin greased and ready. Then cut the dough using the string by placing the string underneath the dough, crossing the string, and pulling. This part's really satisfying. Repeat until you have all the pieces. Place the dough rolls evenly spaced into the baking tin. I like a baked topping on my cinnamon rolls. I cover the rolls with brown sugar, white sugar, course sea salt, melted butter, and of course, LME. Briefly heating the LME on the stovetop will help it spread evenly. I find baking it as a topping really helps to get the roasted notes that make these rolls really special. Cover again to let the rolls rise in the tin. I left mine for 1 hour. Preheat your oven to 320 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 35 minutes. Wait 5-10 minutes, then get the rolls out of the tin. Let them cool completely, if you have the patience. I mean, just look at these. And enjoy.
So good. All right. Have a good one.